Welcome to Power Life Hacks, the place where we help you unlock your best self with smart, science-backed strategies for strength, health, and energy. Today, we're diving deep into a simple but powerful habit that can transform your entire body and mind. Cycling. Whether you're riding a mountain bike, a road bike, or just a stationary bike at home, cycling daily can change your life. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll learn how cycling strengthens your muscles, burns fat, boosts your brain power, and even makes your skin look younger. Let's jump in. When you pedal, you're not just working your legs, you're giving your entire lower body a powerful workout. Your quadriceps, those big muscles on the front of your thighs, do a lot of the pushing. Your hamstrings at the back of your thighs control the motion as you pull the pedals up. Your glutes power you forward and give you that strong, athletic look. Your calves and shins help stabilize and fine-tune the movement. What's amazing is that all of this happens without the harsh impact on your joints that you might get from running or jumping. Cycling is kind on your knees and hips while still building strength. And don't forget your core. Your abs and lower back stay engaged to keep your body balanced and upright. The longer and more consistently you ride, the stronger these muscles become, helping you not just on the bike, but in everyday life. Want to shed fat and reveal that lean-toned physique? Cycling is your friend. When you ride at a moderate to high intensity, you're burning about 400 to 600 calories per hour, sometimes more, depending on your speed and resistance. Fun fact, every 500 kilocalories you burn is roughly equal to 55 grams of fat. So if you cycle an hour daily, in just 1 month, you could burn up to 1.6 kilograms of fat. That's over 3.5 pounds of body fat gone. And the best part? As your legs build muscle, your resting metabolism increases. That means you'll burn more calories even when you're not cycling. Cycling isn't just about leg strength. It's one of the best ways to build stamina, both physically and mentally. Your muscles learn to work harder for longer. Your cardiovascular system adapts, making your heart and lungs more efficient. Your mental resilience improves as you push through longer rides. Before you know it, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, and handling long days at work feel easier. And let's not forget, your emotional balance gets better too. Many cyclists report feeling happier, calmer, and more energized during the day. Your heart is a muscle, and cycling is like giving it a workout that makes it stronger and more efficient. When you cycle regularly, your heart pumps blood with less effort. Blood vessels stay elastic and healthy. Bad cholesterol, LDL levels drop, while good cholesterol, HDL, goes up. Your risk of heart disease and stroke goes way down. Over time, your heart doesn't have to work as hard at rest, saving it from premature wear and tear. Cycling forces your lungs to work harder. When you're pedaling up a hill or sprinting on a flat, you're pulling in more oxygen than you do at rest. Your lungs expand and contract more efficiently. You clear out carbon dioxide and other toxins faster. Over time, your body uses oxygen more effectively, giving you greater endurance. Tip: choose routes away from busy roads whenever possible. Nature trails, parks, and quieter streets are not only healthier for your lungs, but also great for your mental well-being. Every time you ride, your brain and body work together to keep you upright and stable. Your sense of balance sharpens. Your coordination improves as you navigate turns, bumps, and changes in terrain. Your posture gets better, reducing the risk of back pain and injuries. These benefits don't just stay on the bike. They help you move more confidently in daily life, from walking on uneven ground to preventing falls. Here's something incredible. Cycling actually helps your brain grow stronger. It increases blood flow to the brain, bringing more oxygen and nutrients. It helps create new cells in the hippocampus, the part of your brain that handles memory. It stimulates creativity. Many artists, writers, and entrepreneurs use cycling as a way to think through problems and generate ideas. And yes, cycling helps protect your brain as you age, keeping you sharp and focused. We all deal with stress, but cycling is a powerful tool to manage it. As you ride, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that naturally boost your mood. Focusing on the road or trail helps quiet racing thoughts and brings you into the present moment. Even a short 10-minute ride can break the cycle of stress and leave you feeling refreshed. Next time you're overwhelmed, hop on your bike. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel afterward. That's right, cycling gives your skin a glow up too. Better circulation means your skin cells get more oxygen and nutrients. Toxins are flushed out faster, leaving your complexion clearer. Increased collagen production helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles over time. Just don't forget your sunscreen if you're riding outdoors. So there you have it. Daily cycling isn't just a way to get from point A to B. It's a full body, full mind transformation tool. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Power Life hacks, and share it with a friend who could use a fitness boost. Check out these other videos on your screen right now for more ways to level up your strength, health, and energy. Thanks for watching, and keep pedaling toward your best self.